everyone, just a quick video because I wanted to share this. I picked up a new toy for the workbench and I just wanted to share it, the unboxing with you guys, and also leave it a bit of a surprise what it's actually going to be. I picked it up on eBay last week and it just arrived like 10 minutes ago. I received it from the delivery guy. I'm just going to open it up and we're going to have a look at it together. And yeah, I'm actually quite excited, even though it's nothing that spectacular. But yeah, let's just see what we have in here. Ooh, be careful with my plant here. Okay, seems to be packaged rather well. I think you can already see it. Ah, look at that. Wow, this foam that they used to package the... it's a bit dirty, but okay. Let me just put all this foam aside. Look at that. Yeah, indeed. It's a Grundig voltmeter. Wow. What a beast. This is a Grundig UV4. It's a voltmeter from, I think, end of the 60s. Picked it up on eBay and it's completely untested, so I have no clue if it actually works. We'll have to see that. And that will not be for this video. I do believe, well, probably it will require quite a bit of work. But, you know, I'm not scared about that. Wow, this thing is big. Can I put this on its back? Yeah. See. It's a Grundig UV4, and yeah, it's one of the first really decent voltmeters I think that Grundig released, which was transistorized. So I think it still has germanium transistors, even though I would have to check in detail. But it's one of the first that they released without tubes. Even though it should have a high enough input impedance, just like a VTVM. And it's in used condition, as you see. It will make a nice candidate for some cleaning up, maybe a restoration or at least a partial restoration so that I can use it. I didn't really have a big benchtop voltmeter yet, but this one is really big. See the dial is like the meter is like the size of my hand. Yeah, so this will look nice on the workbench. I will probably feature it in a video at some point later, to check if it works and how it works, and yeah, if it requires a bit of restoration. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, what is there to show here? Not much, basically. It's a voltmeter. So this UV4 came in two variants. This is the earlier model, the oldest variant. You can recognize the newer revision by the extra range. This one goes until 300 millivolt. The newer version goes up to 30 millivolt, so it's more sensitive. Apart from that, there isn't much of a difference. So yeah, you can measure voltage, current, resistance with this. And you can actually, as I understand it, you can only measure DC voltage with normal probes. If you want to measure AC voltage, you need a dedicated probe, which I don't have, so we'll have to figure something out for that. Yeah, and there is not much to say else, except that it's all feels very heavy duty. Ah, yeah, it also has a center zero position. So this, if you push this button, then the meter should go to the center. Maybe we can plug it in and see if it does something, or if it blows up. I don't know. We will see about that. Not sure if this is a good idea, but hey, I'm not gonna leave it plugged in for long anyhow. Okay, let's turn it on. It does do something, and my voltage in center button is pushed in, and it does go to the center. I do think the switches require a bit of cleaning, see? But it's fluctuating a bit, but it does go to the center. That's because I don't have a range selected. That might also have been the problem. And now it goes to 0. That's fine, actually. Yeah, it does seem to be more or less functioning. This is the battery check, no. Okay. Here you can, you should be able to use this to put the meter to 0. Yeah, that works. Now, if it is accurate or not, I have no clue. We'll have to check that. Probably we'll need to change some capacitors. We'll need to check the transistors, check it if it is calibrated. But hey, at least it's doing something. Okay, great. Well, I guess in the future on the channel you will see a video about this. I will probably restore this thing, repair it, calibrate it, whatever. But that's for some time later. If you're wondering what the status is of the tube radio that I'm currently restoring, I'm working on the chassis. I'm making progress. Progress is quite slow, but I'm making progress. And I should be able to post a video somewhere next week, I think, with an update. It's moving forward, but it's moving forward rather slowly. But hey, I'm doing this as a hobby, and I'm not gonna rush my restoration just to put out some YouTube videos. So yeah, stay tuned for an update on that one. And anyhow, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, if you have suggestions, or if you have restored a meter like this and you have some tips. Always welcome, let me know, and then I'll see you in the next video. So take care, bye bye.